A firewood splitter, also known as a log splitter, is a mechanical device used to split large pieces of wood into smaller, more manageable pieces for use in fireplaces, stoves, or other heating applications. There are various types of log splitters, including manual, electric, hydraulic, and gas-powered models. Here's a general overview of how a hydraulic log splitter works, as it's one of the more common types. 1. Power source. Hydraulic log splitters. These splitters are typically powered by a hydraulic system. The power source can be an electric motor, a gasoline engine, or a tractor's hydraulic system. 2. Hydraulic pump. The power source drives a hydraulic pump, which is responsible for creating hydraulic pressure. 3. Hydraulic fluid. Hydraulic fluid is used to transmit the force generated by the pump. This fluid is contained in a hydraulic reservoir. 4. Hydraulic cylinder. The hydraulic pressure generated by the pump is used to operate a hydraulic cylinder. The cylinder is equipped with a piston that moves back and forth. 5. Wedge or blade. The piston is connected to a wedge or blade, which is the part that actually splits the wood. The wedge is positioned at one end of the hydraulic cylinder. 6. Log placement. The operator places a log onto the splitter, positioning it so that the wedge is aligned with the grain of the wood. 7. Activation. When the operator activates the splitter, hydraulic pressure is applied to the piston, causing it to move and drive the wedge into the log. 8. Splitting. As the wedge advances into the wood, it creates a split along the grain. The force generated by the hydraulic system is typically sufficient to split even large and tough logs. 9. Return stroke. After the log is split, the hydraulic system is designed to retract the piston, bringing the wedge back to its starting position. This prepares the splitter for the next log. 10. Safety features. Many log splitters have safety features to prevent injury, such as two-handed operation or safety shields. Different log splitters may vary in terms of power, capacity, and design, but the basic principle remains similar across various types. Hydraulic log splitters are popular due to their efficiency and ability to handle a wide range of wood types and sizes. The structure of a log splitter can vary depending on the type and model, but generally, log splitters share some common components. Here is a basic overview of the typical structure of a hydraulic log splitter, which is a popular type. Frame. The frame provides the structural support for the log splitter. It is typically made of heavy-duty steel to withstand the forces generated during the log splitting process. Wedge or blade. The wedge or blade is the component that actually splits the log. It is attached to the hydraulic cylinder and is responsible for applying force to the log, causing it to split along the grain. Hydraulic cylinder. The hydraulic cylinder is a crucial component that generates the force needed to operate the log splitter. It contains a piston connected to the wedge or blade. When hydraulic pressure is applied to the piston, it moves, driving the wedge into the log. Hydraulic pump. The hydraulic pump is responsible for creating the hydraulic pressure needed to operate the cylinder. Depending on the log splitter type, the pump can be powered by an electric motor, a gasoline engine, or another power source. Hydraulic fluid reservoir. The hydraulic fluid reservoir stores the hydraulic fluid used in the system. This fluid is essential for transmitting the force generated by the hydraulic pump to the hydraulic cylinder. Control valve. The control valve manages the flow of hydraulic fluid, allowing the operator to control the movement of the hydraulic cylinder. Common controls include levers or buttons that regulate the extension and retraction of the cylinder. Engine or motor. Log splitters may be powered by various sources, including electric motors, gasoline engines, or even tractors. The engine or motor provides the power needed to run the hydraulic pump. Beam or bed. The beam or bed supports the log during the splitting process. Some log splitters have a stationary beam, while others may have a movable bed that adjusts to the length of the log. Log cradle or tray. Some log splitters have a log cradle or tray to hold the log in place during splitting. This helps prevent the log from rolling or moving during the operation. Safety features. Many log splitters include safety features such as two-handed operation or safety shields to protect the operator during use. It's important to note that the structure and components may vary between different types of log splitters, such as manual, electric, gas-powered, or tractor-mounted models. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions and safety guidelines when operating a log splitter. Using a log splitter can offer several benefits, making the process of splitting wood more efficient, convenient, and safe. Here are some of the key advantages of using a log splitter. Efficiency. Log splitters significantly increase the speed and efficiency of the wood splitting process compared to manual methods like using an axe or maul. This allows users to process a larger volume of firewood in less time. Reduced physical strain. Manual splitting of logs with tools like axes can be physically demanding and strenuous. Log splitters reduce the need for manual effort, making the task more accessible for individuals with varying levels of physical strength. Consistent results. Log splitters provide consistent splitting results, producing evenly sized firewood pieces. This uniformity is beneficial for both aesthetic and practical reasons, especially for those using the wood for heating. Versatility. Log splitters are versatile tools that can handle a wide range of wood types and sizes. They can effectively split both soft and hardwoods, as well as large, knotty logs that might be challenging with manual tools. Safety. Log splitters are designed with safety features to minimize the risk of injury. These features may include two-handed operation, safety shields, and other mechanisms to protect the operator during use. Increased productivity. The efficiency of log splitters allows users to increase their productivity when it comes to processing firewood. This is particularly important for those who rely on wood for heating or commercial purposes. Adaptability to different power sources. Log splitters are available in various models powered by electricity, gasoline, or hydraulic systems. This adaptability makes it easier for users to choose a log splitter that suits their specific needs and available power sources. Time savings. Using a log splitter saves considerable time compared to manual methods. This is especially beneficial for individuals with large wood splitting tasks or for commercial operations where time is a critical factor. Ease of use. Log splitters are designed to be user-friendly, with controls that are easy to operate. This makes them accessible to a wide range of users, including those with limited experience in wood splitting. Seasoned wood production. Log splitters facilitate the production of seasoned wood by efficiently splitting logs into smaller pieces. This seasoned wood burns more efficiently and produces less creosote, contributing to a cleaner and safer burning process. While log splitters offer numerous benefits, it's essential to follow safety guidelines and use the equipment responsibly. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions for proper operation and maintenance. The size of the log splitter you should buy depends on several factors, including the type and size of the logs you'll be splitting, your intended use, residential or commercial, and your personal preferences. Here are some general guidelines to help you determine the appropriate size of log splitter for your needs. Log diameter. Consider the average diameter of the logs you'll be splitting. Log splitters are typically rated by tonnage, which represents the force they can exert. Smaller logs may require a lower tonnage, while larger and harder logs will need a higher tonnage. Log length. The length of the logs also matters. Make sure the log splitter has sufficient bed length or clearance to accommodate the logs you'll be working with. Some log splitters have adjustable wedges or can operate both horizontally and vertically for added versatility. Frequency of use. If you'll be using the log splitter occasionally for personal use, a smaller model may be sufficient. For more frequent or commercial use, consider a higher tonnage log splitter for increased efficiency and durability. Power source. Choose a power source based on your preferences and the availability of resources. Electric log splitters are suitable for residential use, especially if you have easy access to electrical outlets. Gas-powered models offer more portability and are ideal for remote locations or larger-scale operations. Portability. If you plan to move the log splitter to different locations, consider a more portable model. Gas-powered log splitters are generally more portable than electric ones, as they don't require a constant electrical power source. Budget. Your budget is an important factor. While it's crucial to invest in a log splitter that meets your needs, there are various models available at different price points. Consider the features and capabilities that are essential for your specific requirements. User-friendliness. Choose a log splitter that is easy to operate, especially if you are not experienced with such equipment. Look for features such as simple controls, safety mechanisms, and user-friendly design.